Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic. Today I'm excited to be showing you around this lovely 2012 12-plate Audi Q5 S-Line. Now, we had the pleasure of taking this vehicle in part exchange, and a very nice car it is. Obviously it's slightly higher on the mileage, so you will find the odd few sort of age-related marks, but for what it is a lovely, lovely car. Truly cherished by the previous owner, always maintained very, very well, and it drives absolutely bang on. So we're finished in white metallic, which is a lovely colour. It looks fantastic in the sunshine. We're riding on the 5 triple spoke alloy wheels. Those are 20-inch alloys. We're riding on nice tyres. We've got privacy glass, we've got roof bars, full colour-coded S-Line sports body kit, which looks superb. Front and rear parking sensors, LED daytime running lights with headlamp wash, and then we've got the Quattro and S-Line badging to the exterior. Inside then, lovely car again. It's not been smoked in, doesn't smell of any sort of pets. S-Line embossed ebony grained leather sport seats. Lovely steering wheel as well, which is part perforated. We've got voice command. Obviously automatic box. We've got the flappy paddles allowing you to drive the car manually. We've got automatic lights. Cruise control is down here, and as we're doing the video today, car's running. We've got both keys, there's no lights on the dashboard, and we've only covered 129,785 miles. Auto dimming rear view mirror. We've got this nice screen in the centre, so clicking through, we've got FM radio, we've got satellite navigation, we've got phone connectivity, so we've got SD card there, DVD and AMI. Climate control with air conditioning. We've got heated front seats, which is a nice thing to have. Electric parking brake, all the buttons for the centre display, central armrest, central cup holders, and then paperwork wise, we've got stacks and stacks of paperwork, which the car is just being checked in as we speak. So if you flick through the photographs, you'll see all the paperwork's photographed there. We've got the books, and then a nice stack of documentation, previous MOTs, repairs, and much, much more. So if you'd like anything further on the car, please do get in touch. You can give us a call on 01942 231 123. You can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. But thank you for watching, and we look forward to your inquiry.